Good morning everybody and welcome you all on behalf of NIMI Chennai. I am S. Sivaras from NSTA Chennai. Today we are going to learn about sharpening of chisels. Let us see the objective first. Number 1. State the necessity for sharpening of chisel. Number 2. State the procedure to follow while grinding the chisel. State the safety precaution to be observed while grinding the chisel. In modern industry, there are many type of cutting tools are using according to that profile. If we have sharp cutting tools, easily we can remove the material from workpiece. For an example, if knife is sharp, easily we can cut the vegetables or fruits. What is the advantages of sharpening of cutting tools or cutting edges? Number 1. Easily we can remove the materials. Number 2. Time also saved. Number 3. No need of much effort to remove the material. Due to continuous use of cutting tools or cutting hard materials, cutting edges may become blunt. Chisels will become blunt due to continuous use. For efficiency in chipping, the chisels are to be resharpened regularly. Chisels are sharpened on grinding machines. After regrinding many times, the cutting edges become too thick. Such chisels are unsuitable for resharpening. They should be forged and brought to the shape before grinding. Before commencing grinding, the following procedure should be observed. Number 1. Ensure the wheel guards are in place and are securely fastened. Number 2. Inspect the condition of the grinding wheel for breakage or any cracks. Number 3. Wear safety goggles. Number 4. When switching on the grinding machine, stand aside until the wheel reaches the operating speed. First, we will inspect the tool rest. If there is too much of gap between the tool rest and the wheel, adjust it and position it as close to the wheel as possible, especially 2 to 3 mm distance between the wheel and the tool rest. Ensure that there is a sufficient coolant in the container. While grinding, rest the body of chisel on the tool rest and allow the point to touch the wheel. Rock the point slightly on the both sides in arc to provide a slight convexity at the cutting edge. This will help to avoid digging in the sides while chipping. Keep moving the chisel across the face of to prevent formation of curves and grooves at the cutting edges. Dip the chisel frequently in the coolant to avoid overheating. Overheating will draw the temper of the chisel. If the chisel head is mushroomed, it should be cleaned by or grinded by using grinding machine. Use only the front of the grinding wheel. Do not grind on the sides of the wheel. Precaution to be observed while grinding. Use goggles while using a grinding machine. Any damage to the grinding wheel, if noticed, it should be immediately replaced. Do not use cotton waste or other material for holding the chisel while grinding. I hope you are all understood about the necessity for sharpening of chisel, procedure for sharpening of chisel, Safety precaution to be observed while grinding the chisel by using pedestal grinding machine. We will see the next video. Thank you.